Hello all, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, I am Rajasekharr Kolli, a ServiceNow expert with several years of experience implementing ITSM and custom solutions across different industries and geographies. I have worked extensively with platform scripting, UI customizations, integrations, portals, and performance optimization. I am very excited to kick off a brand new playlist focused entirely on ServiceNow scripting, one of the most important skill sets for anyone looking to build advanced, dynamic, and efficient solutions on the platform. In this playlist, we will be covering both client side and server side scripting. I will walk you through real world use cases and also discuss best practices along the way. So the scriptings are not only functional, but also clean, reusable, and easy to maintain. Here is a quick overview of what you can expect from this playlist. I'll be starting this playlist with client-side scripting, where I will talk about what are client-side scripts. I will explain different types of client scripts with some real-world use cases, and I will also explain how to choose right type based on your use case. I will explain how to debug and validate client-side behavior. Moving on to the server-side scripts, I will be explaining what are server-side scripts. I will be introducing to business rules, different types of business rules, how to understand the execution context, what are the best practices for scripting on the server side, and then I will be talking about script includes, creating reusable script includes, types of script includes, how to call them from other scripts efficiently, both client side and server side. Then I will be covering events and script actions, when and why to use custom events, how to trigger script actions based on events, and more. I will also cover about background scripts and fixed scripts, running scripts safely from the background, and how to reuse them from fixed scripts. Not just that, we'll be talking about schedule scripts, understand how we can run scripts based on time. Throughout this series, the focus will be on building confidence in writing scripts using real life scenarios, understanding ServiceNow APIs like Glide Record, Glide Form, Glide Ajax, and developing good scripting habits like logging, performance tuning, and avoiding hard coded values. So, whether you are just getting started with scripting on platform or looking to sharpen your skills, this playlist will help you build strong foundation and move towards advanced scripting capabilities. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming videos in this series. In the next video, we will start with the client scripts, understanding when and why to use it, and walking through the first type, that is onLoad client script. Thank you for joining. I will see you in the next one.